The autopilot will control all aspects of the aircraft until touchdown at most major airports. At this manual landing at Hong Kong's Kai Tak Airport, the autopilot is disengaged by pulling down on the disengage bar, turning the auto throttle arm off, and setting the flight director to off. You now have full control over throttle, pitch, and roll. The aircraft is in your control and you can begin your taxi. When you apply taxi thrust, the speed brakes will retract. Taxi toward the gate or parking area of your choice. When you arrive at the gate, you'll be following these procedures for shutdown. Set flaps to 0. Set auto brakes to off. Set the traffic collision avoidance system, the TCAS, to standby. Set landing and strobe lights to off. Start the auxiliary power unit, the APU. This allows the engines to be turned off but still provide power to the aircraft until ground power is available. Set the parking brake as soon as you're fully stopped at the gate or parking area. Turn on APU Generator 1 and APU Generator 2. On the pneumatics panel, set engine bleed valves to off. Make sure APU bleed is on to ensure airflow continues while the passengers deplane. Set engine hydraulic pumps off. On the throttle panel, set fuel control switches to cutoff. This will turn the engines off. On the center pedestal, turn the seatbelt indicator to off. Open necessary doors. Turn the beacon lights off to indicate the plane is properly parked and will not be moving. Ground power should now be available. If it is, switch to ground power and turn the APU off. If ground power is not available, leave the APU on to provide power to the aircraft until a shutdown checklist has been completed. Turn off yaw dampers. Turn off hydraulic demand switches. Turn off control ignition. Turn off auto start. Turn off all 3 inertial reference systems, the IRS systems. Turn off left and right utility. Turn off all fuel pumps. The Tank 2 aft pump will remain on until the auxiliary power unit is shut down. Open all cross feeds. That's marked X feed. This will allow fuel to flow freely if the aircraft is refueled. Turn off window heat. Turn off aft cargo heat. Turn off trim air. Turn off gasper. Turn off upper and lower recirculating fans. Set all 3 packs to off. Turn off APU bleed. Turn off APU Gen 1 and APU Gen 2. Turn off APU. Turn off external power 1 and 2. Set all internal and external lighting to off. Set the standby power selector to off. Turn the battery off. Your 747 aircraft is now totally shut down. Congratulations on a successful arrival in Hong Kong.